I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June of 2025, our monthly reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Sa mga nagtatanong bakit dalawa yung channel, yung unang channel kasi ginawa ko yan, no, yung Babaylan TV, for international audiences. So wala talaga akong Filipino audience before. So naisip ko bakit hindi gumawa ng another channel para naman doon sa ating Pinoy audience. So hindi kasi siya pwedeng parehas, no? Hindi kasi siya pwedeng nasa isang channel lang. Malilito yung mga audiences. So kaya nagkaroon ng Timeless Tarot. Ayan. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. Share ko lang. No? This is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Sorry. Simulan na natin. Knight of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, and the Justice. Knight of Pentacles. I think like meron talaga ditong nag-decide na wag na muna. Stop muna natin, cool off muna tayo, hindi maganda, no, yung mga nangyayari sa atin. I feel like lagi na lang tayong may clashes, to a point na hindi ko rin gusto yung epekto sa akin. Feeling ko I changed, and that change is not for good, no. The change of, the impact of this relationship probably gives me more of sama ng loob, more of pain, more of worries, sleepless nights, which I feel like I didn't even sign up for this. And this is not the relationship that, sabihin nating I dreamt of, no, or even I expected. I never thought that ikaw mismo yung tao, no, kasi parang I placed or I put my trust on you, and then iba pala, no, parang yung expectations versus reality masyadong bumaba, masyadong nawala ng kumpiyansa, nawala din siguro ang tiwala, no. With the Page of Swords in here and the Knight of Swords, so I feel like siguro may nagsalita dito, i-cool off muna tayo, maghiwalay muna tayo. And then, ang response ng isa, sige, no? With conviction, with bakit hindi natin gawin? Bakit kala mo yung parang ganon, yung hinahamon mo ba ako? Sure, 'di ba? Parang hindi ka kawalan, hindi ako magsisisi. So, tama nga ba? Kasi let's check with the Eight of Cups. Kasi the Eight of Cups kasi nandito pa rin yung pagmamahal. Nandun pa rin yung emotion, but then again, ito yung parang sinasabi nating love is not just enough. Love ain't enough, no? Siguro, yung iba na medyo naghihirap sa buhay, hindi ko naman pwedeng ipambili, no? Yung love, pwedeng pagbilan po ng 1 kilong bigas. So, pwede po bang eto na lang yung bayad? So, wala namang ganon. So, I think yung iba practicality-wise, kasi with the Justice in here, parang mas okay yata kung ako muna mag-isa, no? Mas okay yata kung kasi parang feeling ko dito, nasa isang bangka tayo. Baka yung isa hindi tumutulong, yung isa parang ang kinikita ko sapat lang para sa akin. So instead na siguro dalawa tayong lumubog, no? Um, Kahit anong sabihin natin, this is life. It's a matter of survival, especially kung hindi pa naman married couple, no? Pwede na doon pa lang sa in a relationship, no label crushes, or baka single pa lang din, nakakita na agad ng red flags. So, unahin ko na lang yung sarili ko muna, no? Iba kasi pagdating ng married meron kayong oath, no? Na through thick or through thin. Pero yung iba kasi hindi rin yun natutupad, lalo na kapag feeling nila na-abuse na sila, no? With the Page of Pentacles, Hope and the Two of Swords. So meron talaga ditong separations, no? Ang separations dito, whether it is physical or energetic, or probably both. Sa mga bago, physical separations, that's explanatory. Nasa malayong lugar, lumayo. It doesn't always have to be nagpunta ng ibang bansa. Pwede rin naman, no? Yung iba baka na dyan lang to the extent nasa kabilang bahay lang, no? Baka kapitbahay niyo si person, or nasa kabilang kanto, or nasa kabilang isla, no? I feel like with the Two of Swords kasi dito, masakit. I feel like, ito yung kantang Di Lang Ikaw. So yun, hindi lang din ikaw ang nahihirapan. Nako, patugtugin nyo yun. Baka may umiyak with the Queen of Swords. Feeling ko yung iba narinig yan kanina. Queen of Swords and the Queen of Wands. May galit. That's given, no? May sama ng loob. May sama ng loob, that's given. Pero siguro, ang inaantay lang nito, ano yung pwede mong ipangako sa akin? Ano yung pwede mong gawin, no, dito sa relationship natin para at least umayos? Hindi yung ayoko kasi din manumbat or probably nasumbat ko na. So, para hindi ito maging yun na maging mitya, no, ng ending ng relationship natin, ano yung pwede mong i-contribute dito sa relationship? Pwedeng okay lang sana kung okay lang din kung hindi ka mag-work, basta hindi mo lang ako bibigyan ng stress, no? Okay lang din, siguro for now, hindi ka mag-work, pero sana pag uwi ko maayos ang bahay, doon sa mga married couple, no? Pero ang nangyayari, I bring food to the table, again, it sounded like panunumbat, pero hindi kasi pag uwi ko ng bahay, ako pa rin ang kikilos. So, pagod na ako. Yung iba, exhaustion nga ito. Yung iba, katulad ng sinabi ko, more of practicalities, no? The Ace of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups. Yeah, practicality usually. Kasi with the Ace of Pentacles, is an abundance. Abundance may mean literally money for most numbers of us people, human. But for some, it could be peace of mind, no? Yun ang abundant na gusto kong ma-achieve. It could be hindi ko na nabibili yung mga kapritsyo ko, no? Yung bags, shoes, what have you. Hindi ko na nakakain yung mga gusto ko. Because I am sacrificing a lot for this connection, no? With the Queen of Cups, I'm still hoping na maayos kasi ikaw pa rin naman ang laban ng puso ko. But I hope na meron tayo ditong contributions kasi gusto ko pa rin namang maayos yung relationship, no? But for now, ako muna, no? And I think that's understandable. So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person now. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko sabihin sa inyo na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, dyan po ako nagla-live, no? So kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong sa comment section, no? So sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Click the link. You'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio, Libra. Yeah, so that is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.